Hey guys, today we're doing a quick review on the LED off-road lights. It is these ones right here. I apologize for the wind and the cars, but I wanted to show you outside. So these ones are the LED ones. They are impact resistant, they're very durable, they're 7 inches, and they come with all the mounts and wires needed to be able to put them on your vehicle. Perfect for off-roading, or just if you want to have bright lights in town, whatever it may be. But I did want to show these real quick. They do have a light switch on them as well, so I'll show that here. I don't have them on the car, obviously, and it comes with 2. I just have them attached to a battery so I can show you real quick before we have the time to get them on our vehicle. So I'm gonna hit the switch right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there, but also you might not be able to hear me over here. Oh, I just blinded myself.